Hi everyone, want to change the region or language on an iPhone? Whether you're moving to a new country or just want to use a different language, I'll show you how to do it in a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app. It's the gear icon on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on General. Now tap on Language and Region. Here you can adjust everything from your language to your region. If you want to change the language, tap on iPhone language. Pick the language that you want and confirm your choice. To change the region, tap on Region, select your new country and confirm it. Once you've made these changes, your iPhone might ask you to restart it. Just tap Restart and you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully changed your region and language. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.